Afterpay is everywhere. But how does it actually work? If you're thinking about using Buy Now, Pay Later, here's a clear look at how Afterpay functions, what it costs, and who's it actually for. Afterpay is a Buy Now, Pay Later service that lets you split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. It's available online and in stores, and works with thousands of retailers across fashion, tech, and beauty. When you check out with Afterpay, you pay just 25% of the total upfront. The remaining 3 payments are auto-charged every 2 weeks. There's no interest and no fees, as long as you pay on time. You can also use the Afterpay app to shop or generate a virtual card for in-store use. There's no credit check to start, and approval is instant, but Afterpay sets spending limits based on your payment history. If you miss a payment, late fees can apply, typically a flat amount that caps out depending on your order size. While Afterpay doesn't report to credit bureaus now, that could change in the future. The pros: no interest or hard credit checks, instant approval and easy setup, transparent and predictable payment schedule. Cons: late fees still apply, they can encourage impulse buying, and limited purchase amount, especially at first. On Reddit and review platforms, users praise the simplicity, but some warn it's easy to lose track of multiple payments across different stores. Afterpay works well if you stick to a budget and pay on time, but it's not free money. It's short-term debt. Use it wisely, and it's a convenient tool. Use it carelessly, and it can stack up fast. Thank you for watching.